Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. We're happy to have you. So today we're going to deep dive into money. So let me ask you guys something real quick. Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, your money just seems to disappear? Or maybe you've just been avoiding your finances because it all just feels so overwhelming right now. So guess what, guys? You are definitely not alone. What most people don't realize is that how you think about money, your mindset can either block your blessings or open the doors to financial abundance. So today we're diving into a money mindset for beginners. And I'm going to show you how to shift your mindset, shift your thinking so that you can start building real financial confidence. So guys, let's get into it. So hey, I'm Dondella, and we help ambitious women just like you transform your financial mindset and build lasting confidence. And we do this, guys, in just 30 days. So we actually do this through tools that we have, through planners, digital products, and guess what? A whole lot of encouragement. So we strive to turn your chaos into clarity and your fear into financial empowerment when it comes to money. So what is a money mindset? So simply put, it's your belief system about money. It's the thoughts that you have, the emotions, the patterns that you've picked up about earning, saving, spending, and building wealth. Here's the truth, guys. If you believe that you'll always be broke or that money is evil, then your actions will reflect that even without you realizing it. But when you begin to shift that money story, when you start telling yourself, I deserve wealth, money flows to me easily, your behavior starts to align with that new reality. So with that being said, let's talk about some of these common limiting beliefs that people have about money that actually keeps them stuck. So one of the first things that we hear people say is, I'm just bad with money. But the truth is, you're not bad with money, guys. You have just never been taught how to manage it. The second thing is what we hear people say is, money is so hard to come by. The truth is that money responds to value. It responds to alignment and action, not just effort. The third thing we hear people say is rich people are greedy. But the truth is, money truly only amplifies who you already are. If you're generous now, you'll be generous when you have more money, and vice versa. And the last example is, I'll never get out of debt. But the truth about that is every small step adds up. Your past does not define your future. I cannot say that enough. So start noticing these thoughts when they come up, and instead of letting them control you, you make sure you challenge them every step of the way. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is how to shift your mindset. So we're going to shift gears like right now. So here are 4 simple things that you can do to start changing your money mindset today. The first one is to get aware. Write down all of these beliefs that you've heard about money growing up. Like, what did your parents say about money? What did your community believe about money? What did they instill in you about money? The second step is you're going to challenge this story by asking yourself, is this 100% true? Is it something that I've just accepted because people have told me this over and over again? The third thing is that you're going to reframe these beliefs that you already have. You're going to turn your limiting belief into a new truth. So your old belief is, I'm not good with money. The new truth that you need to tell yourself is, I'm learning to manage my money wisely every day. The fourth thing you're going to do is you're going to reinforce this practice daily. This could be journaling, writing affirmations, recording voice notes, repeating these affirmations over and over again, such as, money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. I attract financial opportunities with ease. I deserve to be financially free. So here's some action steps that you guys can take, and I want to challenge you to do this, right? So I want to challenge you to do a 7-day money mindset journal. So this can be on a piece of paper. Each morning you're going to write one money affirmation. Then you're going to write one thing that you're grateful for financially, even if it's small, something like paying your light bill, buying a cup of coffee, doing something extra. And then one positive intention that you have for the day that's related to money. This one habit alone can completely shift your energy around abundance. Listen, guys, if this video spoke to you in any way, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you're ready to take this deeper, if you're ready to take these learnings deeper, we created something just for you. It's our Building Financial Confidence ebook and workbook. It's packed, guys, with money mindset tools, practical tips to help you develop a money mindset and get financially clear and confident. You can grab it with the link below. Okay, y'all, remember, you don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to be willing to look at your beliefs, challenge them, and choose better ones. You are more than capable of building the life and the bank account that you so desire and that you dream of. And it all starts with your mindset. So here's your reminder. You are worthy, you are capable, and your financial glow up is already on the way. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay confident, stay abundant, and stay ready, y'all. Talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.